Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania, Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, until 2:30 a.m. At 8:34 p.m., radar indicated heavy rain in the warned area. Flooding expected. Estimated rainfall up to 1 inch. Additional rainfall up to 1 inch. Some locations that will experience flooding include Cranberry, Newcastle, Indiana, Butler, Vandergrift, Katanning, Homer City, Elwood City, Homaker, Lindora, Shatner, Northview, Meridian, Zelienople. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Be especially cautious at night, when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Weather message. For the following counties,